Sleek pony hairstyle for day 4 hair. Hi everyone, thank you for visiting my channel. Today I wanted to share how I style my hair when it's dirty, oily, and probably needs to be washed. Personally, I think this hairstyle works best when your hair is nice and dirty, but with that being said, let's get started. Here's what you'll need to complete this look. I've also put links in the description below for the products that I'm using. Okay, so I forgot to add a brush onto that list, but you want to start off with getting all the knots and tangles out of your hair. Then I'm parting my hair in 3 sections, starting with the middle. Now for the side part, you want to find your ear and part your hair towards your face. Once I've parted that section, I like to tie it to separate it from the other sections of my hair. Now I'm just repeating the same thing on the other side. Next, start with putting the remainder of your hair in a pony. Take your round brush and start working your way from the back. Work your way to the front and brush out any misplaced hairs. Once your hair is smooth, take your first hair tie and tie your hair. Next, split your pony in half, then take your second hair tie and tie the bottom half of your pony. Make sure the second pony is on tight, then take your comb and tease your hair for more volume. This is going to be a little tricky to explain, but you want to take the front section of your hair, brush the back half of your hair towards your pony, and tie it with an elastic band. And repeat on to the other side. Now take the remainder of your hair and brush it back into your pony. While holding the right side, repeat the same thing to your left. Once your hair looks nice and smooth, take the last hair tie and tie your hair. Next, you want to apply small amounts of gel to your hair, then take your round brush to gently brush back and ensure all your hair stays in place. Then take your hair cream and apply small amounts to your baby hairs. I like to use the Crew Fiber Cream since I have very thin hair. Lastly, take your spoolie and start brushing and blending your baby hairs. And there you have it, a nice, sleek, voluminous ponytail. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos.